Hello everyone, and welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, here to keep you updated with the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Today's story is all about Nvidia's bold new push to bring AI beyond the digital world and into real-life industries, from biotechnology to transportation and everything in between. If you're interested in how AI is moving from research labs into the heart of businesses and daily life, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the details. Just this week, Nvidia unveiled over 70 research papers demonstrating how AI is transitioning from handling text and images to tackling hands-on, real-world challenges. These announcements came at a major tech conference in Singapore, where Nvidia executives laid out their vision for what they call embodied intelligence. But what does that mean? Embodied intelligence refers to AI systems that don't just process information. They interact, reason, and act in the physical world. According to Brian Catanzaro, Nvidia's Vice President of Applied Deep Learning, the goal is for AI to become truly useful by making it engage meaningfully with real-world tasks and scenarios. This vision is not just talk. It's visible across several new breakthroughs that Nvidia debuted for industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation. Let's look at some key highlights. One of Nvidia's new developments is a system called skill reuse via skill adaptation, or SRSA. This technology allows robotic agents to adapt skills they've already mastered to tackle new, unfamiliar tasks. With SRSA, robots aren't learning each job from scratch. Instead, they build on what they already know, much like how we humans tackle new challenges by drawing on previous experience. Nvidia says that this approach improved task success by an impressive 19% and slashed the amount of training data needed by more than half. That means faster deployment and smarter robots in factories, warehouses, and logistics hubs. In biotech, Nvidia has introduced the Proteina model, a cutting-edge AI that can analyze millions of synthetic protein structures. This allows researchers to generate extremely long protein chains, up to 800 amino acids, and importantly, to do so with accuracy and diversity that Nvidia claims is even better than Google DeepMind's Genie 2, which was previously considered the gold standard. The implication here is huge. If you can model proteins more efficiently, you can potentially accelerate everything from vaccine development to enzyme design and even personalized medicine. Faster and more accurate protein modeling could lead to quicker breakthroughs in treating diseases, addressing pandemics, and advancing synthetic biology. Another standout announcement was Nvidia's STORM, which stands for Spatio-Temporal Occupancy Reconstruction Machine. STORM can build detailed 3D maps in under 200 milliseconds. That's fast enough for real-time navigation in drones, augmented reality, and autonomous vehicles. Imagine delivery drones deftly navigating dense city corridors or self-driving cars handling complex, ever-changing environments safely. STORM could set a new standard for mapping and awareness in the growing field of autonomous technology. But Nvidia's research doesn't stop at physical robots or healthcare. The company is also focused on upgrading how AI understands and reasons about the world, especially when it comes to language and problem-solving. They introduced Nemotron Mind, an innovative way to train large language models using synthetic dialogues that teach the OT to solve math problems step by step. This method reportedly allows smaller models to outperform much bigger rivals while being far more efficient with data usage. In practical terms, this could lead to more powerful, cost-effective AI assistants that help with education, research, or everyday tasks. To make sure all these advances are actually usable by industry, Nvidia has also launched Inference Microservices, or NM, a new platform designed to let companies deploy advanced AI models without needing massive infrastructure investments. Instead of budgeting millions for their own supercomputers, businesses can leverage these microservices to run state-of-the-art AI in the cloud or at the edge. All of this points to a single clear trend. AI is no longer an academic curiosity or a tool limited to generating text and pictures. Nvidia and its partners are betting beyond AI that doesn't just think, but acts, helping to automate warehouses, discover new drugs, guide robots across factory floors, and safely drive vehicles through our cities. Nvidia's announcements were made in collaboration with industry giants like Google, GE Healthcare, and General Motors, showing that this isn't just theoretical work. It's research already moving into production and commercial adoption. So, what's the big takeaway? As AI starts to engage physically with the world around us, we're likely to see a new wave of applications. Ones that could change how we manufacture goods, care for our health, travel, and even how we interact with technology in our daily lives. That's all for today's update. If you found this news exciting, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to AI News Connect, and turn on notifications so you never miss a story. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. You never know who might be interested in the latest breakthroughs in AI. Thanks for joining me, Marvin, and I'll see you in the next episode.